What's up guys, welcome to the video. I'm glad you're here because we have some trails to ride. Today I'll be riding my local trail, the Wahrani Nature Trail. Local trail builders have been adding brand new features that are a lot of fun to ride. They've added drops, skinnies, and even bigger drops. Hey guys. So we are on the Wahrani Trail by New Kent. This trail surprisingly is not on trail forks at all, which sucks because it's a nice trail. So the first feature you come up across, it's basically a fallen tree that you roll over. Switchback. Here we go. More steep uphill. Man, legs are burning. A little shortcut I like to take, or the fun part. You can't really see from this angle, but it's actually really steep. You can get a lot of speed going through there. Man. Steep. Ooh. Almost hit the tree. If you haven't noticed already, I'm riding with my sister and my dad. My sister is riding a Specialized Mica, and my dad is riding a Santa Cruz Tallboy. That was fun. Here comes a serious downhill. Right here, it gets fast going down this. Oh God. I'm sorry about the shaky camera, guys. Hopefully it'll be better next video. My foot almost slipped off the pedals like 50 different times there. Ah. It's an unlucky gear stall. Could have kept going. Here comes Emma. to a better spot where I can ride at. This is a long, continuous uphill right here. Come on. Man, legs are burning. Switchback coming up. Not this right here, but the switchback covered in roots.
Oh, and when I said there was a switchback with roots coming, I mean it's like coming up in like maybe 20, 30 seconds from now.
Man, would not like to fall down that, I can tell you that. Here's a switchback.
Again, guys, I'm sorry for the shakiness. I'm gonna try to get a chest mount. So, well, right now it's connected to my head, and it's kind of shaky up there. It's fastened up there with a zip tie and one of those sticky things on the back of the mount. So that'll get fixed soon.
You seem nice. I'll wait here for the others.
Oh, and I'm riding a Specialized rock hopper. It's a hardtail.
Yeah.
It's mainly a cross country bike, but I'd use it for all mountains. So if you're looking at buying one of those, then it's a good beginner bike.
Yeah. I'm coming. Watch out, Emma. And here it is, the monster uphill.
This turns out to be a lot steeper than it looks on camera. So if you ever go to the trail, then this is definitely a goal to conquer.
Gotta stand up on that part. Phew, man. Drank too much water. Back's starting to cramp up. Ah, thank you, wind. Take a quick little break right here. Oop. Here we go. Wait right here for Emma. All right.
So for the past 2 months, there have been trail builders that have been coming out and building new features, like this skinny, for instance. And if you look to your left, then you see another feature they built. But in front, there's a skinny, and then there's a big drop if you go down that hill. And I completely sent that, but sadly, I did not cut my camera on, which kind of sucks because it was a pretty decent drop. I thought it was going to be kind of small, but it turned out to be huge, and I went like 12 feet. It was pretty cool, but hopefully I'll get it on video next video.
Where does it go? You gotta hop off?
Yeah. To the right. This is cool. I'm glad they're still building.
Yeah, like I said, they were out yesterday.
Drop off. Alright, watch out. Hopefully this won't be a problem.
Where does it go?
I think this is, instead of going that way, I think you can go, because the old trail led to the top up there, you remember? So this one just goes up to the top as well.
But little did I know, it actually led to a brand new drop. So, I mean, if you've been here before and you didn't really like it, I think you should reconsider. It's a nice trail now.
You might want to move, Emma. Ooh, there you go. Hop off. There you go.
This is that drop-off roll-in feature that's actually really fun. You go down this right here and you get a lot of speed when you go down the next one. And then they built a new berm on the side of it, so it's really nice to go through now, so you don't fly off the edge.
Yeah, I did both of them. I might try to drop this one. I kind of like the old way though.
So the old way is where, you know that second bridge, they didn't add that. It was just a really, really, really steep roll-in that you got a whole lot of speed off of. Since they added the bridge there, you don't get as much speed, but you still have a lot of speed.
Emma, I'm coming down. Go, just go, just go.
So basically what happened is that the camera jolted out of position and got all wobbly because you screw it on to keep it still, and it just unscrewed and started wobbling all over the place.
What? Kind of. I know. I did that on purpose. How far did I go? Oh, man. Oh, God. What are you doing, Emma? This way.
So basically the way she was trying to go, that's the end of the big jumps and drops. And so if you just go straight off of this and take a right instead of taking the left at the next sign, then it'll lead there. And I mean, the drops are huge. I'll put that in the next video, but just to let you guys know.
Oh, okay. They put the signs up.
You probably can't tell, but this is actually a pretty steep uphill.
Keep going. Here's your favorite spot, Daddy. There you go. Oh. Yeah.
This feature that I'm about to hit just now is, we call it Stumpy, because it's an old rotted stump and you can roll over it and it's a lot of fun. But if you don't want to roll over it, you can take the alternative route to the side or take a right.
Man, I hope this makes a good video. Haha, that was sick. Get it, Emma. Ah. Quick, go, 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 go. Ugh. Dog crap in the middle of the trail. How's it going? Good.
Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.